30. Like I talked about inside, try, okay, gently pushing your steering to the left, gently. Okay, now what I'm expecting from you is this much. So let me show you, okay. If it's not very clear, I'll get you on board.